possibly the only person who has starred in the original series of a show. And
I don't know. It's very uncanny. It's
Yeah.
it's quite eerie in a way. I
Yeah.
could never really imagine that when I first decided to do 24
Right.
in the international version, that I could ever get this entire franchise over here in India, and then of course shoot it, and now it's happening, and it's
Right.
going to be aired October
Yeah.
4th.
Are you going to, by the way, are you going to send like a copy of it to Kiefer Sutherland or someone? Because
Yes. Matter of fact, I've sent all the bits and pieces of it, and
Right.
they really. The reaction has been really stupendous.
Yeah.
And now I'm sending 4 episodes.
Yeah.
I think by tomorrow, I think they'll get them in 2-3 days, and I'm waiting for their feedback. So there's nothing which they don't know what I'm doing over here, to a certain extent.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, I think I owe it to them.
Yeah.
It's my responsibility to look after their, the brand which they've
Yeah.
built is so iconic, and they've really taken care,
Right.
and they're very, very sensitive about this,
Yeah.
this brand of 24, and the kind of writing. The most fascinating part is the writing, and of
Yeah.
course Kiefer Sutherland making Jack Bauer completely iconic, and that's what I think world over people just love
Right.
that character.
And now they're going to have the same reaction to,
Hopefully.
Gerard Tour.
Fingers crossed.
Of course. For you, what was the point at which you decided? Like, what was it? Like, at what stage did you think? Was it when you were on the sets of, as Omar Hussain, that you thought we should really do this in India?
Absolutely. Yeah. It was on the sets, yeah. I just got an instinct, just got up in the morning, and I said, why not we do this in India? And it's happening. It's happened.
It's happened.
Yeah.
So just again, like we're weeks away from, like days away almost from release. What are you feeling? Like nerves, excitement?
Nerves.
Yeah?
Yeah, absolutely nerves. It's first time, doing fiction, doing a reality show, and your neck is not on the block in a
Right.
way. So you're doing something which you are just playing yourself. Over
Right.
here, I'm playing a character.
Yeah.
So it's like as good as doing a film,
Yeah.
and. It's for me. It's important that people accept me,
Right.
and people like what we have done. And for the appreciation is very, very important.
Are you just having also a blast? Like as you said, there is emotion and there's sentiment, but there are also choppers, there are guns.
No,
there's
we've had a
flak
blast.
jackets.
Absolutely, we've just had so much of fun, and as we said, we all have become
Yeah.
24-holics.
Yeah.
And in a way, when we are shooting, we need a break.
Yeah.
And when we're not shooting, we want to come back to the sets.
Right.
That's the addiction.
Yeah.
That's what 24 is. And over there also, there were people who had shot that for 9 years. They
Yeah.
just didn't want to leave it, and they all were crying once
Right.
it was called off. There'll be never going to be a 24 again.
Yeah.
And you know how it's coming back.
Yeah.
There's going to be a 9th season now.
I know, can't wait. Fingers crossed.